and welcome back to Expression Digital Studio. If you're fascinated by unique homes and dream of a life intertwined with nature, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're taking you inside the world of wooden houses in forested areas. Make sure to subscribe for more inspiring home tours and lifestyle content. Wooden houses are not just structures, they are a canvas that blends seamlessly with the natural environment around them. The use of wood as a primary material connects these homes intimately with their forest surroundings. Living here feels like a daily retreat. The calmness of the forest, the fresh air, and the simplicity of wooden architecture. It's a lifestyle that keeps you connected to the earth. One of the most significant benefits of these homes is their environmental footprint. Wood is a sustainable resource, especially when sourced responsibly. It also provides excellent natural insulation, making these homes energy efficient. The choice to live in a wooden house often comes with a desire for solitude and a close-knit community. Here, neighbors know each other, and there's a shared respect for the tranquility that the forest offers. If you've ever imagined yourself living a peaceful, nature-filled life, a wooden house in the woods might just be your dream come true. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle choice that embraces the beauty of the natural world. Thank you for watching. I hope our style fits your home. If you enjoyed our journey through these enchanting homes, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more content that celebrates innovative living and inspiring designs. Until next time, keep expressing yourself.